Worried about losing years of Kik chats when switching phones? Since Kik doesn't support backups, your messages vanish once you log into a new device. But you can save and transfer them reliably. MagFone Chats Transfer offers a modern solution. Simply connect both your old and new phones to your computer via USB, open MagFone, choose the Kik transfer feature, and start. Your messages, photos, and stickers copy over safely and efficiently. This works across platforms and preserves media integrity. It only takes a few minutes and avoids screenshots, backups, or incomplete recovery. Switch phones without losing your Kik history, done smart and secure.